What's up, guys? I'm an attorney in California. My name is Philip Dean, but I'm also a huge fan of Cart Narcs, which are these guys who narc you out for leaving your shopping cart not in the cart corral or in the area where you're supposed to park your cart when in the parking area of when you go shopping. So I think we've all dealt with this. I also like how these kind of like slice of life videos show everyday life and how people react and respond. It's just a piece of history, really, these videos. But as an attorney, I'm gonna take commentary on this about what's legal, whether it's legal to put a magnet on a car, and what civil and criminal laws could be relevant, and whether this guy's breaking the law or not, whether he's harassing people or not under the law. So I'll look a little bit into that and also react to this guy. So let's get into it. Cart Narcs. Here we go. Love this guy.
Show it to you. It's right over there. You want to take it now? No. How about our hood flag of shame? Well, let's go with the hood magnet since that was a deterrent.
I swear to God,
Sir, what?
bitch.
Well, sir, do you need some help?
Yeah, you get the fuck away from me, you son of a bitch.
Why are you so mad all of a sudden? I blocked your attack.
Because you're a cocksucker, that's why.
Sir, now you know what you did, right?
Fuck.
If you want to return your car, you don't have to be so angry.
Get away from me.
Sir, that was really a poor throw. I didn't even have to block that one. I've got these cool... They're like a boomerang, but it doesn't come back to me. It just sticks on lazy bones. All right, see if I can block this one. I see you're gonna... Uh-oh, he's balling it up. Ha! Boy, you are... Want to go back to throwing school, sir? I got some These are
How
like...
long are you gonna play this fucking game, man?
Until you take your cart back.
Get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
Sir, would you like to take your cart back?
Fuck away from me.
Can I have a kiss, please?
Fuck away. No.
Why not?
You know, punch in the face.
All right, so a lot of people here would say that this is harassment, that he's following these people, and that his, repeated attempts to antagonize them is clearly harassment. However, these people can leave at any time, right? He can get in his car and drive away. Now, he does kind of follow the people as they leave the parking lot and throw magnets on their cars. That could be considered harassment as he's chasing people away. But once they leave the parking lot, I mean, they're gone. So harassment would be something more repeated, unwanted contact, where you can't, and it's not in a public area where you could just walk away and get away from the person, right? So remember, these people acting like a victim in the parking lot, they could just leave. So it's not a kidnapping or assault or battery or any of that. And usually the people overreacting about the magnets actually do physically assault Mr. Cart Narc, Agent, wonderful, sexy, secret agent Sebastian, or whoever it is, and they get assaulted and battered all the time. So they're the ones that would be able to sue these people. All right, let's keep watching.
This is what you're gonna get.
Don't do that. That's against the law. How about this? Since
So are you.
No, I'm not. I'll put one on the back here, so it's...
Stop it.
Sir?
Stop it right now.
You stop it.
Stop it right now.
You stop. I'll point my finger at you too, sir. But see, what I'm doing is I'm being nice. Why are you so angry?
Because you're an asshole.
But sir, the person who leaves
This
their car out
guy's
is a
so
jerk. A jerk-faced
dramatic.
lazy
Oh my
bones.
God.
You put one more thing.
Then what? Are you going to take your car back this time? Well, you've learned your lesson?
No, I haven't.
Why not?
Because you're an asshole. That's why.
You seem like you'd be a good dramatic actor. You're very
Yes,
emotional and
dramatic actor.
engaged.
I'm not acting.
Well, I can tell that, unfortunately.
I'm not acting.
Don't even think about the son of a bitch.
Why do you call me names?
He sounds like a Batman superhero actor, like a villain. This guy is a villain, bro.
I'm calling you nice things. Like, I mean, I did say lazy bones. You're in neutral. Gotcha. I got your rear quarter panel there, sir, because I'm an excellent thrower, unlike yourself. Weird then. People. Sorry, our battery overheated there. Oh, they don't deserve that in their mailbox, sir. Here, I got some more for you.
Get out of here! Get the fuck out of here!
Or else what?
Stop fucking following me!
I blocked your attack.
Stop!
See,
Stop it, you psycho!
you shouldn't telegraph your punch.
So here he follows the guy out of the parking area across the street. That is, I think, harassment at that point. It could be considered. Just because he's following the guy's made a reasonable attempt to leave the situation, and he's still approaching his vehicle, attaching something to it that he has to then physically remove from the vehicle. So it's a pretty weak argument. If we look at the statute for what is harassment in California, when I'll pull it up in a minute, we'll look at the facts and see if they meet the statute. But let's keep watching.
So much, sir. You had your fist up like that, so I knew which way it was coming from. That's my mag. It's my flag, unless you want it.
Shove it up your ass.
Sir, my butt cheeks are very tightly clenched. Oh no! Oh. Wait, are you taking both those carts back, sir? Yeah. That's very nice of you. I was just talking to the guy who left his cart out to begin with, and he got all peeved about it. But you know, you hate pulling out in a spot like this, and
Yeah.
and I was telling him the first cart's not terrible.
I'm going ahead in the there,
Well, that's where to go. I'll take it for you if you want me to. Because once two or three, because if you left your cart stacked up, eventually blocks the whole spot. I mean, I don't have to tell you, you're a smart guy.
No, it's all right.
Responsible fella. Appreciate it. That's all we can ask for. And real quick, Narcoteers, that was just that was it right there, was the icing on the.
So the harassment statute here, and these videos are great, man. This guy does a great job. Sexy Sebastian, we appreciate you, brother. Under California Penal Code 646.9, stalking occurs when a person willfully, maliciously, and repeatedly follows or willfully and maliciously harasses another person and makes a credible threat with the intent to place that person in reasonable fear for his or her safety or the safety of his or her immediate family. Harasses engaging in a knowing and willful course of conduct directed at a specific person that seriously alarms, annoys, torments, or terrorizes the person, and that serves no legitimate purpose. So here, is putting a magnet on someone's car and running across the street considered to seriously annoy and serve no legitimate purpose? Maybe. I mean, there is a legitimate purpose, I think, but it could go either way, really, if you think about it here, because some people would say, well, there's guys that pick up the carts anyways, so there's no legitimate purpose to telling people to put their cart away. Other people would say that, well, the wind can come and hit the cart and cause damage and la la la. So it could go either way. But let's keep watching.
The cupcake, but the reason the video cut off there is these GoPros, they can overheat, and it's very hot today in Portland. So I was able to start it back up there for a moment, but it quickly cut out again. And really, that's
We're in Portland.
always. I'm going to take full responsibility for that. I should have sufficient backups with me at all times, but I didn't there, and it's a lesson to be learned. I'm not going to yell and blame it on other people. My fault, and I take responsibility for it. So just like that man took responsibility not only for his cart, but for the Lazy Bones cart. It's just a good lesson in life. You don't get ahead by blaming others and throwing weird telegraph punches. Cart Narcs out.
It's very cool, guys. All right, that's Cart Narcs. This is Philip Dean, attorney in California, out.